Sometimes on an Apple iPhone, we make a FaceTime audio call. But in the middle of that audio call, if you want to switch it to a video call, you can do that. In this video, we'll show you how to convert a FaceTime audio call to a video call without disconnecting it. For this, I'm opening my FaceTime app. And for example, I'm calling a contact. I tap on the new call option and select a contact. After that, here you can see a button like this. Tap on this button. Now the call is going. And that person has picked up the call. Now here you can see the call is connected. If you want to convert it to a video call, what you need to do is, here you can see FaceTime. Above that you can see a question mark. Anyway, tap on FaceTime. When you tap on that, your phone's video will turn on. But one thing is, on my phone their video is not visible yet. For that, on their phone, when they tap anywhere on the screen, they can see a button like this. When they tap on it, their video will also turn on. Now here you can see this is a proper video call. On my phone, I can see their video, and on their phone, they can see my video too. So this way, you can easily convert a FaceTime audio call to a video call without disconnecting the call. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.